Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Now, Jamaica's two-time world championship mile relay silver medalist Tiffany James has been slapped with a 2-year ban by the Athletics Integrity Unit, AIU. James is listed among 22 athletes who were handed suspensions for doping violations in the month of March. According to the AIU, James, a former world under-20 400-meter champion, her ban will run from June 19, 2023 through to November 4, 2025. It is not stipulated which specific anti-doping violation rule James committed. Trinidad and Tobago's Janaide Ganes was awarded the Austin Seeley Award at the 51st Carifta Track and Field Championships, which ended on Monday in Grenada. The 17-year-old smashed the girls on the 20 long jump record, setting a new mark of 6.5450 meters to win the event ahead of Jamaica's Rohanna Sudlow. She also anchored Trinidad and Tobago to a silver medal in the girls on the 24x400 meter relay. The award, given to the best athlete at the Carifta Championships, was named after Sir Austin Seeley, who set the games in motion back in the 1970s. Meanwhile, Jamaica bettered its medal haul from last year after amassing 84 medals comprising 45 gold, 23 silver and 16 bronze. The Jamaican team is expected to arrive home later this afternoon. Meanwhile, Jamaica increased its medal tally to 31 at the 37th Carifta Swimming Championships, currently underway at the Betty King Center in the Bahamas. The nation added 6 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze on Monday's third and penultimate day, and now has a haul of 11 gold, 8 silver and 12 bronze. It means Jamaica currently sits fourth in the points standings with 405 points, as the Cayman Islands, they lead with 804 points. Kia Alert was amongst the gold medalists for Jamaica, taking the 11 to 12 50-meter backstroke ahead of Kai Ratliff doing the likewise in the boys 13 to 14 equivalent. Alert returned to add gold in the 11 to 12 100-meter freestyle, with Nolan Barrett following up with gold of his own in the 13 to 14 boys category. And Sabrina Allen continued Jamaica's dominance in the event, taking gold in the girls 18 and over section in a personal best 56.69. Jamaica also added silver in the 11 to 12 400-meter freestyle relay and bronze in the 13 to 14 boys 800-meter freestyle relay. A double strike from captain Owen Gordon gave Montego Bay United a final day shot at advancing to the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League playoffs following a 3-0 win over Harbourview on Monday at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Gordon sent Mobay ahead in the 3rd minute before closing out the contest in the 85th. Johan Weatherly scored the other goal for Mobay in the 55th. The victory took Mobay to 40 points, but they remained 7th, the same as former champions Waterhouse, who occupy the 6th and final spot. Waterhouse have a positive 15 goal difference, but Mobay, to Mobay is a positive 9. Mobay, they play Tivoli Gardens in their final match on Sunday, while Waterhouse oppose Harbourview, knowing that a win all but secures a spot in the playoffs. And in a game of academic interest, Avere United and relegated Treasure Beach played out a goalless draw in Monday's other game. And that is the final whistle. That is it for your midday sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.